accept that people are going to like some songs, people are going to like others. So you just have to bring songs forward to the guys and you know, see which ones kind of get recorded, see which ones sound good, see which ones feel good, see which ones will, you know will sound good on the album. And I'm very glad that Home made it. You know, it's definitely one of my favourite songs I've written.
Well, let's take a musical break to drink it all in. Written by Matt Doyle, UB40's lead singer these past 3 years, so not really the new boy anymore. This is UB40 with Home.
This would be easy, I thought you would understand. There's nothing left here for the two of us. Darling, take my hand. Let's get out, let's just go. Ain't a better place to call our home. Just everyone around here looks our way with a face like we're something wrong. We're not here to take what's yours. Better just run when we came to the show. So when you tell me go back home, remember this is the only home I've ever known. Darling, we should leave now. We're not let the biggest win. Are we really giving in? After all that we sacrificed, sure. This ain't the words we've had to survive. But let's get out, let's just go. Find a better place to call our home. 'Cause everyone around here looks our way with a face like we're something wrong. We're not here to take what's yours. Better just run when we came to the show. So when you tell me go back home, remember this is the only home I've ever known.
I don't know.
Thought this would be easy. I thought you would understand. There's nothing left here for the two of us, so darling, come take my hand. And let's get out, let's just go. Find a better place to call our home. 'Cause everyone around here looks our way with a face like we're something wrong. We're not here to take what's yours. Better just run when we came to the show. So when you tell me go back home.
That's UB40 with Home, one of 7 new tracks amongst 7 re-recorded classics on the anniversary UB45 album, recorded of course to celebrate 45 years as the world's biggest reggae band, and also a band that never rests on its laurels for very long in terms of live shows. I know it's been a very busy 12 months for you. You've been performing all over the world, a big arena tour at the end of last year here in the UK, and you're not done yet.
We're off all over the place, America and all over Europe, and then we come back here.
Yeah, lots of festivals confirmed. I see you've got a couple of gigs in Northern Ireland at the end of May, early June. Then in July you're going to be performing in Newcastle, Surrey, Cheshire and Poole. And as you said, you've also got dates in the US and Europe. And after clocking up over 4.5 decades, Robin, at this malarkey, are you still enjoying going out on the road as much as ever?
It feels like it's what we've always done, you know. I mean, we have been doing it now for 45 years. So it's a lifetime of making records and then taking them out on the road. And that's what we've always done. That's what we love doing. I think when you're on the road, you can't get home. And when you're going to go on the road, you know, it's the way it is. I always look forward to it just because